out going for some shopping. So we are gonna shop for some kitchen stuff, and there's a new shop that we are gonna explore. It's at a walking distance, so we are just walking towards that. It's expected to stop in 16 minutes. Let's see. Gaurav is out to get some fries. We're gonna have a regular mixed baked fries. I was going through this podcast today morning. That's probably why I'm this happy. I'm gonna talk about it later. There was this ad that popped up for the new summer collection at IKEA. And it was like, visit your nearby local IKEA stores today. And I was like, why not? So I've planned to go to IKEA today and spend the day there because it's very, very hot, and what better place than IKEA to spend the day, shop for our home and get some stuff. Plus I love the food at IKEA, so that's what we are doing. Let's go to IKEA. So we are walking towards the bus stop right now. We're gonna get the bus in around 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll go directly to IKEA. बहुत गर्मी है. Whenever we are at IKEA, this is what Gaurav does. Now we should buy some actual stuff, not to roam around.
Yeah, not look at everything and say, should you get this? Should you get this? Should you get this?
Yeah, but you get lost in this store. It's not your fault. It's so pretty. not tried it, you have to try it. This is so good. Good morning. It's Sunday morning and we are gonna do some Sunday cleaning. So I'm gonna start with my washroom. I've got to clean the tub, it's very dirty, and I'm gonna clean the rest of the house as well. But before that, I was going through a few videos on how to take care of your plants. So we got 2 new family members, we have got 2 new house plants, and I'm very excited. They're very pretty, but I need to make sure that I water them properly and make their stay as pleasant as possible. So I went through a few videos, and every plant has like different watering needs, and not all plants need a lot of water. They do need water, of course, they're like us. All those like basic tips I got from the videos, and I've noted down the points. So I'm gonna water my plants and then I'm gonna start with the cleaning. This is probably my first like big plant. This is our second plant. It's so pretty. So this is one of the plants which does not need that much of water. So every week 2 or 3 ice cubes and it's good.